Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good with your classes and everything. Welcome to another video from PSM Solution. This time it's of PPT 2021 projects Exp22 PowerPoint Chapter 1 Cap Assessment Winter Camp. So it is saying that you are the director of the Covenant Hopper and will be offering a winter day camp opportunity for boys and girls in grades 1 to 6 during the winter break from the schools. You have been asked to put together a presentation. This is what we need to do to advertise the winter camp. Okay, so this is what we need to do in our assignment. Let's start it by saying that start PowerPoint, download and open the file name. This one, Exp22 PPT Ch01 Cumulative Assessment Winter Camp pptx. This is pptx is an extension for PowerPoint, like docx is the extension for Word, and xlsx is the extension for Excel, and actp is the extension for SS. So this is the extension for PowerPoint. This is the main file and we have to download this from our portal. It is saying that creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. Let's start this. This is our main file. You can see this is the support file and this is the image. These four files you need to download, you need to have while starting this project. So this is our main file. You can see this. Grader has automatically added my last name to the beginning of the file name. So step number second is, it is saying that you have to change the variant to the blue font. Okay, first of all we need to go to the presentation or our file, then go to the insert tab. You can go to the design tab. This is the tab where we need to go. So for doing this we have to go to the design tab. We are in the design tab and this is the variant group. And where is our required variant? We want a blue variant. It is saying that it will be in the first row and the fourth column. So this is the first row, 1 2 3, and this is the fourth column. Just when you click that, blue variant will be applied to our presentation. Okay, so step number third is that we are done with step number second. What we need to do, it is saying that you have to change the theme font to the pptx. Okay, we have to change the font to this one. This is a typical name and everyone pronounces differently, so I am pronounces it according to my English. So this is the, you can go here, click down arrow and then click here the fonts, and then you have to look for the required font what instructor want us to apply. This is the font that instructor want us to apply. So pptx will be applied by clicking this one. Just click that and it will be applied to our presentation. This font will be applied to our presentation. Okay. On slide 1, so this is the slide 1, and type winter break camp in the title placeholder. This is the title placeholder, you can see, and this is the subtitle placeholder. Okay, what we have to type on the slide 1, type winter break camp in the title placeholder. This is the title and we have to type here winter break camp. Okay. So we are done with this part of our step number 4, and it is saying that you have to type this in the subtitle placeholder. First of all we have to look for the subtitle though. So this is the subtitle, you can see this. When you click outside of this here, it will be, text will be shown in the background. It is saying that click to add the subtitle. Just we will click here and then write the required text, friendships and memories. friendship, friendships and memories. Okay, we have to type this thing in the subtitle placeholder. So we are done with 4 steps of our assignment. You can see here. Now we will move on to the step number 5 of our assignment, and we have to look for it what it is saying. It is saying that you have to add a new slide after slide 1. First of all, you have to look for the thing that how to add a new slide, and then with the title and content layout, new slide with title and content layout, we have to look for the 2 steps in the first part of step number 5. You can just go to the home tab, you can insert from here, you can go to the insert tab, and you can add the slide from here. Okay, so we will remain in the home tab, and then we will add our slide with the title and content layout. This is our slide with the title and content layout. When you click that slide, our second slide will be inserted. Just click that, you can see this. Type overview in the title placeholder. Okay, we have to type this word in the title placeholder. This is the title placeholder. Overview, you can see this overview in the title placeholder. You can see there we go. Best practice is to save your file after each step. I actually forget to do so, and you must not forget to do so, because it will save you from a lot of trouble. You have to go back to the video and look for the previous step again if you have any kind of misadventure, like your battery goes down or something like happen, and your work will not be saved. So we are done with 5 steps of our assignment, and now we will move on to the step number 6 of our assignment, and it is saying that type the following bullet text in the content placeholder at level listed. Okay, in the content placeholder. So this is the content placeholder for our second text, and what do we have to do? We have to type the bullet text in the at the level listed. You can see this is the first level, second level, first level, second. So there are 2 first levels and there are sub levels, 2 sub levels for the first level and 3 sub levels for the second first level. Okay, first of all, and bullets will be automatically added by default in the slides. When you write dates and press enter, you can see this second bullet will be automatically added. So this was our first level, and how to change the level I will tell you how to do so. First of all, change the second level number, December 26, 27, 28 and 31st. Okay, sorry, reduce the level, increase the level, sorry, from first to second. There we go. (26, 27, 28 and 31st), and then type 8 AM to 4 AM in the second level list. 4 p.m. and then type the first level. Press enter and decrease the level from here to from second to the first. You can see this activities. Press enter and then increase the level again to from first to second. Swimming, sledding, arts and craft. Swimming, sledding, arts and crafts. Okay, so we have to type the symbol of second, symbol of ant. There we go. And then save your file from here. You can save from here and you can just press Ctrl S and file will be automatically saved. So this was our second slide, and this was about how to add the first level and the second level text in a content placeholder. So we are done with step number 6 of our assignment, and now we'll move on to the step number 7. What step number 7 is saying? So this is actually about use of reuse slides option. Use the reuse slides option to insert all the slides from winter break camp file. So this was our support file that I will tell you in the first time that first step that you must have this file while starting this project and for completing this project. If you don't have downloaded this file from your portal, you have to download that and come back again to continue your project. You cannot continue this project without this file on the main file. Okay, use the reuse slides option. Okay, come to the main file and come to the insert tab. Then you have to look for, come to the design, transition, animation, slideshow, record, review and view. Now I will tell you, you can remain in the home tab, click the down arrow, and here at the bottom you can see the option of reuse slides. Just click that, and now you can see that my PowerPoint has already recommended me that you have this file at your desktop. Yes, I have this file. Just click that. I don't need to browse it from here and go for the searching. Okay, so this is our reuse slide, reuse file, and it has 6 slides. Okay, we will look for this option that whether we have to use the source formatting or not. Uncheck the use source formatting. Okay, to ensure all the inserted slides take on the design and formatting of the already open slides. So it has separate formatting and separate context, so we don't want to be inserted in our main file like this. We want to take the position or take the design of the main file, so we will just uncheck that box and then to insert all the slides we have to look for the option to insert all. You can just click here and all slides will be inserted. So in the beginning we have just 2 slides, slide 1, slide 2, and we have inserted these 6 slides from our slide reuse option. Just click that, just click the close button. There we go. So second option is open the winter break camp file presentation, copy all the slides and then paste them after the slide 2. If you don't know how to use the slide reuse option, then we have to come here and do this step. This is very easy also, but this is the most formal way to perform this step. I will recommend you using this because it will be without the mistake. There is a chance that you make the mistake while copying and pasting. So this was our step number 7 and we are done with it. Now we will move on to the step number 8 of our assignment, and it is saying that delete slide 3. Okay, this is slide 3. Click that and just press the delete button from your keyboard of your PC or your laptop. Just press delete and this will be slide number 3 will be deleted. Move slide 5 so it becomes slide 4. This is slide 5. Just drag it above the slide 4 and it will become the slide 4, and the 4 will become the slide 5. There we go. This is how to do this step number 8. This was very easy one. So we are done with step number 8 of our assignment. Now we will move on to the step number 9 of our assignment, and what it is saying, that on the slide 1, insert snowflake image. Okay, first of all we have to go to the slide 1. This is slide 1. Go to the insert tab and we have to look for our image. We have this image on our desktop. There we go. Just click insert and it will be, so this is the image. What we have to do next, we have to crop the image on all sides so that only the snowflake on the left edge is remaining. Okay, on the left edge is remaining. Crop from here, crop from here, crop from here also, crop from here a little bit also, and then press the crop button. There we go. What we have to do next, we have to resize the image to height of 2.4. Click the image, height of 2.4. there we go. And what we have to do next, and the width of 2.5, width of 2.5. oh, when we change the width, it also change our height. So what we have to do to stop this, we have to uncheck the log accept ratio. Log accept ratio is that height and width adjusted automatically when you change the height. Like you will type 5, it will also change the height also. There we go, you can see this. So far when you change the height to 5, width will also change automatically. So for stopping this, we have to uncheck the locked accept ratio. There we go. This is what we need to do. And now type here 2.4, and what was our width? Width was 2.5. You can see this. Now it didn't change the height when we change the width. Okay, apply the bevel oval black picture style. These are the picture style. Just click the picture, come to the picture format, and then click the down arrow. And what is the style? What is the record style? Bevel oval black picture style. So this is the required style, and we have to just click that, and it will be automatically applied to our image. You can see this. What we have to do next, we have to position the image. So this was our first part of step number 10, and now we are moving on to the second part. Position the image horizontally at 4.4 and vertically at 3.8. How to do so? Just click the picture format and then come to the size group and then click that. Click the dialog box. You can see this. You can see in the bottom there is a tab of position. Just open this tab by clicking on this, and then you have to change your position of your image accordingly. Horizontally at 4.4, and what's the vertical position? It's at 3.8. 3.8. There we go. You can see this. Best practice is to save your file. How to save this? This is how to save our file. So what's next? Next step is the step number 11, and it is saying that you have to apply the fill. Dark blue, accent color 1, shadow word art style. What we have to do, we have to apply a word art style to the text in the title placeholder winter break camp. So we are already on the first slides, and this is our title. Just select that and then apply our word art style. What is the style? It is dark blue, fill dark blue, accent color 1, shadow word art style. Okay. Fill dark blue, accent color 1, fill dark blue, accent color 1, shadow word art style. So this is the style we are looking for, and just click that and our style will be applied to our title placeholder. You can see this. So this was our step number 11, and I have shown you the complete step number 11. Now we are moving on to the step number 12 of our assignment. What it is saying? It is saying that you have to change the layout of the slide 7. Okay, first of all you should go to the slide number 7. This is slide number 7, and we have to change the, what we have to do, we have to change the layout of the slide 7 to picture, panoramic picture with caption. Okay. So you can change the layout from here. Go to the home tab and then click the layout. So this is the slides layout, and then you have to look for the panoramic picture with caption. There we go. Just click that, and our step number 12 is also complete. Now we will move on to the step number 11, step number 13 of our. So next part of step number 12 is that we have to add the snowflake image in the picture placeholder. Okay, and then apply the reflected bevel black picture style. Reflected bevel black picture style. You can insert the image from here. This is a snowflake image, and then apply the style from here. Reflected bevel black picture style. We have to look for our style. So this is our style. Just click that, and then our step number 12 is done. Best practice is to save your file after each step. Just click the save. So now we are moving on to the step number 13, and it is saying that you have to select the title text and change the font color to dark blue Accent1 darker 50%. Okay, this is our title text and we have to change the font to dark blue Accent1. Dark blue Accent1 darker 50%. Okay, dark blue Accent1 darker 50%. So just click that and it will be applied to our title text. There we go. We are done with step number 13 of our assignment, and it was about changing the font color. So now we will changing the font color to our slide number 7. This was about dark blue Accent1 darker 50%. Just click that. So now we will move on to the step number 14, and it is saying that on the slide 6, sorry, we have to move to the slide 6, what to bring. Convert the bullet list to a vertical bullet list smart art graphic. So this is our bullet list and we have to convert to the vertical bullet list smart art graphic. Basic, alternate, picture caption, lined. So this is the required list. Vertical bullet list smart art graphic. Just click that and it will be automatically applied to our bullet text. Okay. Type the following in the notes pane for the slide 1. So we are done with step number 14. And now we will move on to the step number 15. It is saying that type the following in the notes pane for the slide 1. Just come to the slide 1. If notes pane is not shown here, you can see this. Click that and it will be shown. Now write, join us for winter camp. Sorry, we have to look for the capitalized word. Join us for winter break camp. Just press the period at the end of our text and just click in the slide and press Ctrl S to save our assignment. Now come to the step number 16, and it is saying that you have to create a notes and handouts footer with the following text. Go to the insert tab and then click header and footer and notes and handout. This is what we have to do. Footer, we have to write the footer text, winter camp details. This is the footer. If we have to write the header, just we have to click the header and then we have to type here, but we will uncheck that again and write winter camp details and then click apply to all, and footer text will be applied to all of our slides. There we go. Just click the file again. And so this is the last step of our assignment, and it is saying that you have to check the presentation for spelling error, make corrections as needed. So we will do so. If you want me to do this assignment for you, just hit me back on WhatsApp or email. I will do this assignment for you at a very fine cost. And if you want me to do this full course for you, then I am also here. and I can help you throughout your courses, throughout your classes. I can do the other courses like accounting, finance, mathematics, statistics, operation management, English, and all writing stuff. Just hit me back on WhatsApp or email. We can make a very good deal for this assignment and for the other things like simulation exam, simulation training, final exam, midterm exam, test, quizzes, and everything. So let's finish our assignment again. Check the presentation for spelling error. We have to check for the spelling. We can do it manually. Call today to register. Just click the save and our assignment is done. So I have shown you full solution for this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment, just hit me back on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in another video.